Moving fast, no map, no aim. Just a boy in a grown-up game. Thought I had time, thought I was free. Didn't know life was waiting for me. Then I met her in the middle of the noise. She saw the man behind the boy, made me slow down, made me stand tall. Now I don't fear the future at all. Books on the table, dreams in her eyes. She believed in me before I tried. Taught me peace is a kind of strength. Love grows deeper when you choose to stay. She turned my chaos